Good day everybody, welcome back to the Le'Rez studio. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm not using resin, I'm using acrylic, I'm using easy coat, and I'm using Floetrol, and I want to do some acrylic pouring with my liquid tints. So it's going to be interesting, and I'll tell you what, it works. It really works, and you can use the tints directly with some of that easy coat to do your paintings, create a paint, and just do a regular acrylic painting. But anyway, here it goes. So stay tuned. Okay guys, hey, here we are back. I decided to ditch this color. This was my cranberry. It's because I didn't mix it well, or maybe it's just the pigment itself that doesn't seem to dissolve properly in this Floetrol. So I decided to go with the Le'Rez, which I'm sorry I don't have in stock, but it is so much better. Nice bright color. So a little bit of Floetrol, about half Floetrol, and about, well, this is about an ounce, maybe a bit more than an ounce cup. Some of this easy coat, which looks like this, like a white jelly. Anyway, about a spoonful, teaspoonful, although that is a large teaspoonful in there, and that gives you that thickness. And it needs a little bit more. I do everything by eye, so I can't really, well, I could, but I haven't done any acrylic pouring in a long time, and I just thought, I was just preparing to do a video using resin with these tints, and then I thought, okay, so here we go. I am applying half mix of white house paint and Floetrol, just to thin it down kind of thing, and then just applying those colors that look very bright here, and it looks very promising. So then I thought I might just I did a little blow with a straw, and then I thought I'll see what it looks like when I swipe it, and I like the straw effect much better. And just going around and blowing those bubbles with my torch there,
because I don't want that intense
and
heat.
I'm just talking now about that nice circle that you see in the center there, which is moving a little bit, and that's just that
works great
that I originally put there. So it would be much better to, you know, paint the board white first. So don't go away, it's there's more coming. I'm going to be covering it with some resin, so stay tuned for the next step. Okay, so it dried up. I really like what it's done, but it needs resin to make those colors pop again like it was when it was wet. But the drips are not dry yet, so I'm not going to touch them until they dry up. But this is lovely. I've got a couple of cracks, and you know why I got them, because I've noticed them popping straight away, is because I tried to speed the that's not a crack, that's, I don't know what that is, to be honest. Something interesting there. I'll have to figure out what that is. It's going to bug me until I figure it out. But yeah, I was just trying to speed up the drying process, and I could see those cracks happening. So don't do that, whatever you do, and you probably already know not to do that. But no, not me, just too used to working with resin. This is, I think this is the paint that got pushed out and kind of dried like that in a, you know, it just created that. I think that's what it is, because there was nothing else under there. But anyway, too much talking. I'm going to get on to just doing something else with this piece, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to put some crushed shells in the middle. I've got the matching colors, which is great. And the way I can, because I wasn't sure whether I should embellish it a little bit more or just pour resin over it. So I've just got a wet baby wipe, and I just go like that, and I could see what it would look like when the resin comes on it, because this is wet. You can see the difference, and look at these colors just pop. See that? Isn't it marvelous? So nothing's coming off, which is great. I don't want to rub it too hard though, just leave it like that. And then yeah, I've got my resin already mixed up, so let's see if I can assemble these. I am going to need a little bit of resin in the middle first. Let me just dry it up a bit first. Goes back to dull. Right, so a little bit of resin in the middle. So you might just do a blob like that. I just want it as a glue at this stage. All the way to the edge. Yeah, that white house paint didn't turn out white. It picked up some other color. Probably, yeah, I don't know. Maybe some of that citron yellow. Anywho, here we go. Let's go with some of this. And I'm going to probably use a spoon. Where are my spoons? Okay, yeah. I'll just pop a little bit in the middle. And then I can use my stick to arrange it. I don't want too much of it. That's pretty cool. Right in the middle, and then go with this color, which is really nice, all the way around. So I will use my fingers or stick or something. But these colors look really pretty. Okay, so stick. Okay, so here we go. I've got my my plastic stick, which is just like a little thin coffee stirrer, and rearranging these shells so they go all the way to the edge. And they did, you know, when I poured some more resin over it, they started to escape a little bit, but anyway, I managed to fix that. So yeah, it looks great so far. A bit fiddly, that's why I'm speeding this up, so that you don't have to put up with the boring stuff. See what I mean? They're trying to run away. And as soon as you pour that resin, oh my god, look at the color pop. It's so unbelievable. And all those cracks that I showed you before, they're all gone. Like, it's amazing how it works. So really, really loving it at this stage. You will have to tell me what you think. So I've got some crushed glass flakes here. They're like little shards. They're not sharp, don't worry, but they're really beautiful and iridescent. And I thought I might just pop them around, and then I got a little bit enthusiastic, and I thought, oh, I'm just gonna make them like a star or something shining, you know, and popping more on there and just expanding that to look like a bit of a shiny explosion. And really loving it. This is a fiddly part, you know, but I think it's all worth it in the end because it works out really great. So at this stage my resin is quite thick, and it's much easier to manage when it's like that. So that's it for this one, just showing you some photos while it's drying, and I hope you like it. Let me know, and thanks for watching my video. Bye for now.